Do you ever buy things you don't need?
All the time.
Good, it's not just me.
I actually bought something yesterday.
What did you buy?
A bag.
Did you need a new bag?
Not really.
Of course.
But it was really cute.
Ah, there it is.
What?
That's your excuse.
It's a good excuse.
Is it?
Okay, your turn.
My turn.
What did you buy?
A jacket.
Another jacket?
Yes.
How many jackets do you have?
I don't know.
That's not a good sign.
Maybe 8?
8?
Maybe 9.
Laura!
I know.
You don't need 9 jackets.
But it was on sale.
Of course it was.
20% off.
That's how they get us.
What do you mean?
The word sale.
It makes me feel like I'm saving money.
While spending money.
Exactly.
That's the funny part.
We spend more because it's cheaper.
That makes no sense.
Have you ever bought something just because it was on sale?
Definitely.
Me too.
I bought shoes last month.
Did you need them?
No.
Then why?
They were half price.
Of course. Do you wear them?
Sometimes.
How many times?
Twice.
Twice?
Maybe 3 times.
Where are they now?
In my closet.
Just like my jackets.
Why do we keep buying things?
Because we want them.
Even when we don't need them.
Maybe wanting something is enough.
Sometimes.
Not always.
Online shopping makes it worse.
Definitely.
It's too easy.
Sometimes I open an app just to look.
And then?
20 minutes disappear.
And your cart is full.
Exactly.
That's dangerous.
I always tell myself, it's just one little thing.
That's how it starts.
I know.
Then you see another thing.
And another.
And another.
Then suddenly you've spent $100.
Exactly.
And you don't even know why.
Why do you think we do it?
Because shopping feels good.
For a little while.
Yeah, it gives you a little happy feeling.
Especially when you find something you really like.
Exactly.
I shop when I'm bored.
Me too.
It's something to do.
I shop when I'm stressed.
Really?
Yeah, sometimes.
I shop when I'm tired.
Why?
I don't know.
Does it help?
Until I see my bank account.
That's painful.
Have you ever regretted buying something?
Of course.
Tell me one.
I bought a coffee machine.
Do you use it?
Not much.
What was the plan?
Make coffee every morning.
Do you?
No.
What do you drink?
Instant coffee.
You bought a coffee machine for instant coffee?
Don't remind me.
That's actually funny.
At least I'm not alone.
No, you're not.
Good.
I think social media makes it worse.
Definitely.
Especially short videos.
You see someone wearing something,
And suddenly you want it.
even if you never wanted it before.
Did that happen to you?
Yes.
What did you see?
A really pretty water bottle.
A water bottle?
Yes.
Did you buy it?
Almost.
What stopped you?
I looked in my kitchen.
And?
I already had 4.
4?
4.
Okay.
Don't laugh.
I'm trying.
You're smiling.
I know.
But the new one was really pretty.
I understand. Sometimes it's not about the thing.
Then what is it about?
How it makes us feel. Like feeling happy? Yeah.
That makes sense.
And sometimes we just want a little excitement.
That's true.
Buying something can feel exciting.
Until the package arrives.
Then what?
Sometimes I forget about it.
That's the worst.
I know.
You wanted it so badly.
Then I get it.
And?
Nothing.
Maybe that's why we regret it.
Because we wanted the feeling.
Not the thing.
That's actually really true.
I think so.
I never thought about it like that.
So what can we do?
Maybe wait.
Wait?
Yeah, don't buy it immediately.
How long?
3 days.
3 days?
If I still want it after 3 days, I'll think about it.
I like that.
It gives me time to think.
Instead of buying it immediately.
Exactly.
But what if it's on sale today?
That's the hard part.
Exactly.
Then I ask myself one question.
What question?
Do I really need it?
That's a good question.
And there's another one.
What's that?
Would I buy it if it wasn't on sale?
Oh,
Exactly.
that's a really good question.
If the answer is no, I don't buy it.
Simple.
Simple doesn't mean easy.
Especially when something is cute.
Exactly.
You really like cute things.
I do.
I've noticed.
What about you?
I like useful things.
That's dangerous too.
Why?
Because you can always say, I'll use it someday,
That's true.
and someday never comes.
That's painfully true.
We've all done it.
Do you have things you never use?
Too many.
Same.
My closet is full.
Mine too.
But I still want new clothes.
Maybe we don't need more clothes.
We need more space.
Exactly.
So maybe buying things isn't the problem.
Then what is?
Buying without thinking.
I like that.
Me too.
We can still enjoy shopping.
Just be more careful.
And give ourselves time.
Exactly.
So, 3 days?
3 days.
No impulse buying.
That's going to be hard.
I know.
But I'll try. Okay, 3 days.
3 days.
And if you still want it,
Maybe I'll buy it.
deal.
Enjoyed this conversation? Subscribe for more real English conversations with Laura and Anna.